Hey guys, it's Andy. I've been dreading this video for a long time, but I owe it to you to be transparent. So I'm getting asked a lot, do I still have my Panamerica, my Harley Davidson Panamerica? And the answer is no, no I do not. Stick around, hang out, let me tell you why I got rid of it and what I got instead. Welcome to MCC Just Motos. Alright guys, I was one of the original adopters of the Panamerica. I got into adventure touring about 2019, and the Panamerica came out, and I was so excited about it. And I wanted to use it for extreme off-roading. I wanted to use it for touring. I want to use it for commuting. I want to use it for sport riding, and it does almost all that fantastically for me. Almost, all right? But let me explain. So I went on a big trip, Maryland to Canada, and I did some extreme single track by myself all alone. And that was the first time I realized that any big, huge adventure touring motorcycle, even though the Panamerica is great on the suspension and can make traction and find traction and is a better motorcycle than I'm capable of, it was exhausting. It was extremely exhausting, and the bike went down once and I even couldn't get it up. In fact, you'll check out the video right here about how I got it up. I was lucky I had tools and adapted and overcame, but it was really, really exhausting. That being said, it's a fantastic do-everything motorcycle. It goes on dirt, it goes touring, it goes sport touring, commuting, more comfy and better than any motorcycle that I ever have. But for extreme off-roading single track stuff, I'm going to stick with a much lighter weight motorcycle, in this case my Himalayan, my Royal Enfield Himalayan, and use that to do my off-roading duties. I'm sure there's much better riders than me that can do it, but as in consider myself an average rider, it was just too exhausting to do that really extreme heavy duty touring. That, and I got an electric motorcycle. I got a Livewire S2 Del Mar. This is the mill race blue, and I couldn't afford two pretty much brand new motorcycles. So my Harley Davidson Panamerica went to a really good friend down the road. We go riding together. It's still really close to me. He's taking great care of it. Love it. I still love it. And I have the Livewire S2 Del Mar. All right, that's it. That's really what happened. Still a fantastic motorcycle. You're going to love it if you have one. And yeah, please like and subscribe. Watch for my new ventures on my Del Mar, as well as my Himalayan and all my other motorcycles. We'll catch you on the next episode.